Good morning, Miss. I am Ybañez, and I'm going to be sharing my learnings all throughout the semester for the computer application. So let's start. Our prelim is the introduction of computers. So first is the word digital comes from the root digit in Latin. The word digitus means finger or toe. The modern use of the term digital is probably derived from the idea of counting on your fingers. The digital revolution is an ongoing process of social, political, and economic change brought about by digital technology such as computers and the internet. So very convenient for the people to have this technology as we observe today, as we experiencing it today. So there are three distinct categories of computers: the mainframes, mini computer, and microcomputer. So these are the examples of, or these are the types of computer we have. So that's for our prelim. Let's move forward to our midterm. Our first topic is basic conversions. It can be binary to octal, octal to decimal, decimal to hexa. So in converting decimal to octal, binary, or hexa, you could use the repetitive divisions. While converting octal, binary, hexa to decimal, you could use the raising power. So how raising power? So we have these activities during our midterms. At first, we use the raising power. Then afterwards, we use the repetitive division. So we also have ways, an easiest way to convert binary to octal and binary to hexa, or hexa to binary, or octal to binary. There are numbers and letters that corresponds with a binary digits that could help you in solving a digit or solving an item related to hexa or octal. So not just that, we also have laboratories activities we have learned during our midterm. First is the resume. That's very helpful in applying future jobs. So we also have made a brochure, calling cards, and table of contents. So that's for our midterm. Now let's move forward to the semifinal learnings. So in semifinal, we have the number system operations where we learn binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Same goes to octal addition, hexadecimal addition, so on and so forth. But one thing to remember in binary, there are rules that must be need to be followed in order for you to gain the right answer. So in addition, there is 0 plus 1 is equals to 1, 0 plus 0 is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is equals to 0, carry 1. Rules in subtraction and multiplication. So these are the examples that we have answered during our midterms that relates to binary operations. So in our laboratories activities also, and we have made excels that we must need to figure it out ourselves, the formulas that be needed in computing the tuition, miscellaneous, and total tuition using the Excel's formula. Now for our final learnings, we have made Excel activity where we compute the amount, discount amounts, total payment, 20 discount of 25%, also the VLOOKUPs, the COUNTIFs, sum, addition, and other formulas in Excel. That's very, very helpful in our future use. And not just that, we also have made e-certificates where we prepared Google Forms, Google Slides, and the Google Excels. And yes, we have made our own, or we designed our own e-certificates that once the respondents fill up the Google Forms, they could automatically receive an e-certificate from us. And lastly is SeatWorks, that's related on number system operations, but it focuses more on division and multiplication. Yes, I think that would be all. I hope I have expressed my learnings clearly, even though I use the topics that we have tackled during our second semester, or the prelim to the finals. I think that's all. Thank you and God bless.